Hi, Matt Capel here with Capell Flooring and Interiors here in Meridian, Idaho. So welcome to another edition of What's in the Box. So what we do is I open up samples and I talk about them and we see what we have. So this one here is from Engineered Floors. They've put a nice big sticker on it, which is also Dreamweaver. It's the same company. This box is wrapped a little bit different than most of them, but should be effective just the same, hopefully. Oh, good. Oh, corner. UPS and FedEx people, if you're watching this, you need to be more careful with carpet samples. All right, so what we have here is Dreamweaver carpet. It's part of their Pure Color line. Pure Color is solution dyed, which means the color goes all the way through, which is really nice. We have one thing that I love that Dreamweaver and Engineered Floors does is a good, better, best. So just looking at this, you can tell that this is the good, this is the better, and this is the best. This is called Serene 1, 2, and 3. So if we look closely at these bigger samples, looks like they have quite a bit of color variation in it. Seems like that's been coming back lately. Have a little bit more color variation in the flex and the tones and carpet. So with a good, better, best, basically the face weight gets thicker as you go. But what's nice is you can get in any of these three face weights, you can get any of these colors here, which this is nice. Let's take a look here. So they have quite a few lighter colors here. It's kind of like roll crush when you first open up a roll of carpet. When you install it, you got to fluff it up a little bit. Yeah, this looks nice. Looks like a nice line. Looks like the colors are changing ever so slightly this year than years past. Looks like we're getting a little bit more warm tones and things again. But I know you can't reach out of the camera and feel this, but this feels soft. It feels nice. Looks like it's very well made. The twist is all the way up to the top. So this is something interesting. If you see here, how you have a couple tufts that are up like that, that's not a defect. Those can just be cut off with scissors. So I don't have any scissors on me, but basically you just cut them off and it's not defective. All carpet does this a little bit, so it's kind of interesting that that's there, so I could actually point that out. But yeah, Serene 1, 2, and 3. This looks like a nice piece of carpet. Has an action back, so that's the normal carpet backing, which is good. It's tried and true. It's been around forever. So if you'd like to come to our showroom, we definitely could show you this or other Dreamweaver carpets, and we'd love to help you with your next carpet remodel here in the Treasure Valley. So thanks for watching, and we appreciate it. And if you have any questions, just comment below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks.